Welcome to today's tech tip. In today's video, we're going to take you through the disassembly of your 10/22 rifle. The 10/22 is a very easy to disassemble rifle and only requires a couple of tools. You'll need a 5/32 Allen key and a small punch. Before we get started, we're going to make sure that there's no ammunition on the bench and that the firearm is unloaded. To do that, we'll start by removing the magazine, and then we're going to draw the bolt to the rear, lock it back, and then inspect to make sure that there's no ammunition in the chamber. Check both visually and physically. Now that we know there's no ammunition, we can drop the bolt and allow it to go forward and start the disassembly process. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the action screw. The action screw is captive, so you don't have to remove it all of the way. Just loosen it up. Then to remove the stock, you're going to put the safety in a neutral position to allow it to clear the bedding area. Then to remove the action, hold the barrel and lift up on the stock to get them to separate. Next, what we'll do is remove the two cross pins and the bolt stop pin. You can use your small punch for this. If your gun's new, these pins can be a bit stiff, but it will become easier over time. You can then take the fire control out by just lifting up, and then make sure that you're not losing any other internals, pins, screws, or springs. You can set this to the side. We won't need to disassemble that any further at this point. Now with the fire control removed, you can gain access and press out the bolt stop pin. With a charging handle to the rear, you can then lift up on the bolt, release the charging handle, and then your bolt will fall out the bottom. Charging handle will come out the ejection port window. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the small plug that is now at the back of the receiver to aid in the cleaning of your rifle. Your 10/22 is now fully disassembled, and you can perform any maintenance, cleaning, or anything else that you might need to do at this step. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And for more tech tips and more information on our firearms, please visit us at Ruger.com.